I'm Daniel Rivera, I'm 38 years old, I live in East Providence. I am a patient. Since last year, I've had one more operation, so I'm up to 25 surgeries from my ailments that I have of fibromyalgia and chronic pain syndrome. My intake is just as high as you've been hearing. I'm roughly about 4 to 6 ounces a month, depending on the time of year, how my body's feeling. Every inch hurts. So trying to get by without this medical marijuana and not being able to afford to buy it or find a place to get it is a very scary position to be in. All I feel that is this Compassion Center would bring so much guidance and counseling and answers to a lot of questions that we all have, us patients. You know, what will help me? Please help. That's all we are asking is please help. This Compassion Center would build a lot of hope and help a lot of people.
Mr. Rivera, do you take other drugs as well?
I use a Marinol pill, which is a synthetic THC form of marijuana. I did studies with that first before I even tried medical marijuana. I was at the point where I was in a car wheelchair. I was so bad I could not move. And medical marijuana got me out of that wheelchair. And I'm walking now because of medical marijuana.
Very good. Are there any questions for Mr. Rivera?
Yes, I have one.
Yes, Representative Diaz.
Thank you. I remember you from last year. Did you have family, right? Children?
I have 2 children that live with me, yes, and that was the best thing that it helped. I was able to do things with them, baseball practices, walking the dogs. I mean, it just changed my whole life around to be able to walk again. You don't realize what you miss until you don't have it. Very hard.
Any further questions for Mr. Rivera? Thank you very much for your testimony,
Thank you.
Mr. Rivera.